This ugly little one-page website has made over $12,000 in the last 30 days. And the weirdest part, it doesn't even sell anything. It's just a simple quiz that asks 5 questions and somehow it made a couple of $100 a day. So I just had to try it myself. So I built one in just 2 hours. I used free tools, connected it to affiliate product from Digistore24, and it actually worked. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up exactly the same thing, the same page, even if you never built a website before and even if you've never made money online. And to make it super easy, I will even give you my one-click template to copy the same exact page for yourself. And plus, I will show you the same exact products that I use to make it convert. Now here is how I even found this thing. One night, I was scrolling through Facebook ads trying to see what is working right now. I do this every couple of months to find the most new and fresh strategies, but this time I found something weird. There were no sales pages, no long blogs, no long complicated funnels or websites, just this really basic and kinda ugly one-page quiz funnel. And it was not the only one. There were literally hundreds of them. So the very first thing that came to my mind was, I want to test this. And here is something what you should know about me. I have never been the smartest guy in the room, I've never been the hardest working guy in the room, but I have still made multiple 6 figures per year. Because I always look for something what is working right now, what's simple and actually bring results. So I started digging deeper into these pages to find out how it actually works. So I went through a couple of questions and then when I clicked the final button, it led straight to affiliate product on Digistore24. And that's when it kind of clicked for me. See, this page wasn't trying to sell anything at all. It was literally helping people. It's asking questions to understand them, and based on their answers, it's recommending them the right product. And that is a genius strategy. So I had to test it, and honestly, it worked better than I expected. So let me now show you how I've built this entire thing, how I found the products, connected the products, and actually made money out of it. And don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it step by step live in this video. So by the end of this video, you can have your own version of it up and running. It's nothing difficult, there is no coding, and if you can drag and drop, then you are good. So I started with this website that is called System.io, what is a free funnel builder that I'm using right now. I will link it below this video so you can try it out. It's completely for free. You can start creating your websites, funnels, some simple automations, and you don't have to invest a single penny. Then as a next step, you just want to click on Start for Free Now or just add your email address right here and click on Start for Free Now, what is going to create your brand new account on System.io. Once you will be inside, then you want to go into the websites and then you want to click on Sales Funnels. Then under Sales Funnels, you can go with 2 different ways. The first one, the more complicated way, is that you can just build this funnel completely from scratch. If you are going to click on a create, then add some name to it and then click on build an audience or any on a goal that you want for this funnel and go to the save. Or the second option, you can just go below this video once again and you can find their complete one-click funnel that I have created, that I have tested, and the one that I'm using right now. Just to show it to you, it's nothing fancy. It's actually extremely simple funnel with white background, one simple logo at the top, then headline, and then there are all the questions where people can just go click through it. And if you look closely, I don't even have a custom domain. I was actually using the domain that I was given when I created my account on the system. But what is actually important, that once someone is going to finish this quiz, as I'm finishing it right now, at the end, they are going to get redirected into Digistore24, into affiliate product that is connected into my account, into my name. And if anyone now, after this quiz, will go through, get instant access, and then go through the order form because they will be interested in this Internet Sales Machine PDF book, they are going to make the purchase and I'm going to make commission from this product. Now let me explain to you how I build this funnel, how you can rebuild it for yourself, and what is actually important. So you can see this is kind of an ugly funnel, ugly page where it's just one logo, one headline, everything is black and white. But to be honest, sometimes the ugly pages are working more than over-edited and super over-designed websites. What actually matters is the strategy behind it and what is the overall goal of this page. So this quiz funnel was built for people which are looking for ways on how to make money online, and they were wondering what is the best way that I can get started with and maybe the most affordable way. So I just created all of these questions or steps in this quiz which are asking people, I really want to reach this goal because I want to do whatever, support my family. To achieve this goal, I need to start earning online at least $5,000 per month. Then what best describes your current situation? I have a full 9-to-5 job, or maybe 9-to-5 job and a side hustle, or maybe I don't work, I'm a student in retirement. And slowly, as people are going to be progressing through these questions, I've set up an automation at the end of this quiz that's going to provide them the best possible option for them. What means each answer that they are going to get is going to leading them a different path. So at the end, when they get a result, they are going to get specific product that is going to be fitting their needs. So this way, we are not actually selling a product, I'm actually fitting them the best possible product. So for example, if they will tell me that they have just $10 that they can invest, I'm going to provide them some PDF. But if they will tell me they have $5,000 that they can invest, I'm 100% going to recommend them some coaching or mentorship, because that's something what is going to give them the fastest results. So I set up the entire logic system and conditions behind this entire quiz, but you don't actually have to be doing that. You can literally just get one product, one quiz with 5 questions, and it's going to be working wonders. And once I finished the entire quiz, I just published it, and to be honest, I wasn't really believing that it's going to be getting such a great result. But I kid you not, it actually started working much better than I expected. So after a couple of hours, I started seeing the very first clicks, and eventually it actually started making also commissions. I'm not sure if this $163 was from this strategy, probably from something different, but these $35.84 and $11.93 are 100% from this strategy. Now I know those are not hundreds of dollars and not thousands of dollars, but this is just me testing this strategy, sending it to very limited amount of traffic. So it was just to test the workflow, but not to make tens of thousands of dollars from it. But to be honest, I'm pretty satisfied with the results, because it's not happening very often that you set up something and then a couple of hours later it will actually start working and making commissions. So I'm going to link this actual funnel down below in the description, so you can copy it for yourself. You can just drag and drop it into your own System.io account, and you can use some product from Digistore24 or any other affiliate product that you are promoting right now. Switch the questions and you're good to go. You can start promoting it. Because here is the best part. You can actually rinse and repeat this exact strategy in any niche, in fitness, in make money online, education, woodworking, self-development, dating, whatever. Anywhere people have a problem, this funnel can be used. So let me show you, if I would be starting from zero, what exactly I would do. So as the first thing, I would go to Digistore24.com, what is the affiliate marketplace that I was using in this video, and also the place where all of these offers are created. So again, with like System.io, you can just very simply go to get started. You can create your free account on Digistore24, and you can get access to all of these offers that you can start promoting, even so you are a complete beginner without no experiences and you don't even know what is the product all about. Then you want to go into marketplace. What is the place where all of these offers are located? So the simplest way is that you can just pick one of the categories or niches. For example, like is dating and relationship, it could be email marketing, or maybe health and fitness, or online marketing, e-business, personal development, whatever you are interested in. So for example, let's say it's going to be health and fitness, and here you can find all of these affiliate products that you can start promoting, and you can see how much money these products are going to pay you if anyone is going to buy them through your affiliate link. You can also click on a sales page so that you can see what is this product all about and how it's going to help people or benefit people. Then also you can see a lot of different stats. For example, like what is going to be your commission if you are going to start promoting this product. So specifically for this one is 70%. Just to give you one extra tip, I would be also looking into affiliate support page, because this is the page where if, for example, you want to connect your quiz page to email opt-in page and start collecting emails, then on affiliate page, you can go up here into email swipes, and you can find here pre-created email swipes, which are tested, proven, converting extremely well, and so you can increase your chance that you will actually make money from this product. Once you find a product that you want to start promoting, you will just click on promote now, and what is going to then happen, this is going to generate you your unique affiliate link. And if you're going to copy this, now this is the link that if anyone is going to click on this and make a purchase after watching this, for example, sales video, then what is going to happen? You are going to make commission to your Digistore24 platform. So then as a next step, to actually connect your quiz funnel to your Digistore24 account, you want to go into the editor, then you want to find here the redirect URL, and you want to place the link on this spot. Then you want to save the changes, and now if anyone will go through this quiz and are going to finish that quiz, they will get redirected into your affiliate product. As a next step, you need to replace the questions. If you will have product from health and fitness category, you can't use the same exact questions that I used for promoting some business offer. So what you need to do is just click on this survey, and then you want to go up here into edit survey questions. And if you don't want to have 11 questions, you just want to have 5 questions, you can delete any of these questions by clicking on this trash bin. and then you want to open one of these questions and you want to start editing them. So you need to replace the question and also the answers. But now the question is, what questions and what answers should people reply so this quiz funnel is going to be working well? Well, the easiest way is to be using Uncle ChatGPT. What is cool about ChatGPT that it actually knows all of the products from Digistore24. So what you can do is just go back to Digistore24, you can copy the name of the product and just write here, I'm promoting product from Digistore24 that is called Nitric Boost Ultra, and create for me 5 questions with 3 options for quiz funnel. I'm going to send this, and then the ChatGPT is going to create for us all of these questions and answers, and you don't even have to be doing anything yourself. So then you will just copy this, then you will go back into the editing, just replace the question, replace the answers, then go back, do the same exact thing with everything what you want, and then just save all the changes, and then you will have your funnel, all the questions and product connected all together. So not any selling, no talking, no complicated tech stuff, just simple strategy, providing real value, and a funnel that is qualifying people for the right offer. And now really the last thing that you need to figure out is how you are going to send people and traffic into this page. In this tutorial, I'm not going to be showing you the exact traffic strategy because I already have better and more in-depth strategies that you can find on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to link top 3 traffic strategies that you can use with this quiz funnel or simple one-page funnel down below in the description. But even before you will go into the traffic strategies, what you need to do first is to actually build this funnel. So your next step is building something that actually works, and that is going to the description, taking your copy of the quiz funnel, setting up your product with a question, with a funnel, and then continue into traffic strategies that you can find also below this video, which will help you to find and for free the actual people that will go into your quiz funnel, make a purchase so that you can make the commission. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure that you will leave a like, and if you want to see more step-by-step strategies like this one, then also don't forget to leave a subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are not going to miss any of our new videos. But for this one, this was everything from me, and now I'm going to see you right here.